Hi, Paul Blake with AeroDoor. There's occasions when someone wants to replace a vertical lifting hangar door, such as a bifold or hydraulic door, with a door that moves horizontally on tracks. Here we have a typical box hangar with a vertical lift door. I say typical because you can see there is minimal space each side of the door opening, and the door header is just below the building eave. The building was probably designed around the loads and forces implied by the hydraulic door, which would be across the horizontal header and the two vertical jam columns. With a horizontal rolling door, the loads are different. The loads go through the bottom wheels straight into the bottom rail and foundation. The top tracks, which span the width of the door opening, will need to be carried by the building's roof structure, and loads will be imposed on this when the door is closed. All of these door loads will be provided to you by a hangar door manufacturer. Okay, so door engineering and door loads is a topic for another video. Let's look at two possible ways to retrofit a horizontal rolling door to a box hangar like this. So the first choice is to install the horizontal door system to the face of the building structure. In the example here we show a biparting door, where two door leaves open left and two open right. I've highlighted the top track in green and the bottom rail in green, just to show you that they span the width of the opening and enough for the door leaves to be parked when the door is open. The door's top tracks will need to be supported by a steel framework, which is called an outrigger. Outriggers become an extension of your existing building structure, and they must be designed to carry the forces implied by the hangar door. Outriggers are not supplied by the hangar door manufacturer. Let's look at another example. Here the door is contained within the building. There are no outriggers. For the purpose of this example, I've chosen to put 4 door leaves on this opening, and each leaf is on its own rail, so there are 4 tracks. As the door opens, the leaves slide behind one another, giving you access to 3/4 of your opening. If this was a 100-foot wide opening, 3/4 means you'd have 75 feet of clear opening space. But let's shrink this down and assume that the opening is only 50 feet wide. I don't think offering 75% of 50 feet would be enough for most people. So this whole idea, this example that I'm bringing you, it only works for wider openings. These panels can be stacked anywhere within the opening space. They don't have to stack in the same place all the time, and they can be manual or motorized. We'd also recommend going as wide as possible with the door tracks. That's going to maximize your clear opening. You can see here that the door panels have gone beyond the door opening, but they're still within the building envelope. AeroDoor can fabricate and install the horizontal rolling door system, and probably demo the old one for you. Hopefully, this short video has helped ignite some ideas and further questions that we can discuss soon. Thanks for watching.